Welcome back to another episode of Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm your host, Sophia, and today we're digging into a topic every trader faces at some point. Why it feels so easy to win on a demo account and so much harder once you switch to trading with real money. If you've ever crushed it on demo, then felt completely out of sync once you went live, you're not alone. This is one of the most common and most frustrating experiences for traders. But here's the truth. The psychological and technical differences between demo and real trading are significant. In this episode, we're breaking it all down. We'll talk about why demo success doesn't always translate, what traps to avoid, and how to make a smooth, confident transition into the real money arena. Why winning on a demo account feels easy. Let's start with the obvious. Demo trading is safe. There's no real financial risk, which removes the biggest pressure point in trading, fear of losing money. And that alone can drastically change your behavior. You can take risky trades, hold through drawdowns, experiment freely. If you lose, reset the account and move on. There's no consequence, so your emotions are on mute. No fear, no hesitation, no panic when a trade moves against you. But with a live account, that comfort zone disappears. Now your losses are real. Every tick in the wrong direction hurts your actual balance. That changes the game. Second, some traders suspect that brokers offer better conditions in demo mode, instant fills, no slippage, smooth execution, just to make the platform seem more attractive. That's not always the case, but it can happen. When you switch to live, you might see delays, order rejections, or different market behavior that wasn't obvious in the demo. And then there's the capital issue. On demo, you usually get $10,000, $50,000, or even more to play with. That kind of cushion encourages risky, oversized positions. You don't hesitate to drop a huge trade because you're not afraid to lose it. That can build bad habits fast, like over-leveraging or revenge trading, because there are no real consequences. Lastly, trading on demo doesn't impact the actual market. But in a live environment, especially in less liquid markets, your trades can affect price. That's something most traders never consider until they experience it firsthand. How to transition from demo to real trading without crashing. So, how do you make the jump without wiping out your account or your confidence? Let's walk through it. Step 1. Treat your demo like it's real. This one's key. If you're using demo as a playground, it's not helping you prepare for live trading. You need to simulate real-world conditions. That means only trade with the amount of money you'd realistically deposit in a live account. Follow strict risk rules, no more than 1 to 2% risk per trade. Don't reset your account after a bad loss. Work your way back just like you'd have to in real life. The goal is to develop habits and discipline that will carry over when your own money's on the line. Step 2. Start small in real trading. Once you go live, start with the smallest possible amount. Trade micro lots or the lowest denomination available. Focus on consistency, not big wins. The idea is to experience the real emotions and mechanics of trading with money at risk, but without risking too much. Step 3. Develop emotional discipline. This is where most traders fall apart. Real money triggers fear, greed, hesitation, and overreaction. That's where stop losses and rules matter. You have to accept that losses are part of trading. Avoid revenge trading after a loss. Stick to your plan, no matter how tempting it is to go off script. This is mental training, and it takes repetition. Step 4. Understand real execution and market conditions. In demo, everything feels smooth. But live trading introduces slippage, delayed order execution, and sometimes even rejected trades, especially during high volatility. Start small, test your broker's execution, and get comfortable with how the platform behaves when real money's at stake. Step 5. Stick to what's working. If you found a profitable strategy in demo, don't ditch it just because you're nervous. Stick with it. Scale slowly. Trust the process. Step 6. Set realistic profit goals. This is huge. Demo traders often expect the same results when they go live, but real market conditions, emotional pressure, and execution issues make that unlikely. Start with modest goals, like staying profitable for a week. then a month before trying to scale up. Step 7, journal everything. Track your trades. Note your setup, entry, exit, reasoning, and most importantly, your emotions. Over time, patterns will emerge. You'll see where emotions trip you up and where your edge really lies. Step 8, understand liquidity and trade sizes. In real trading, large orders can affect price, especially in low liquidity markets. This can lead to partial fills or increased slippage. Start with smaller trades and gradually scale up as you understand how different markets behave. Step 9, sharpen your risk management. In real trading, good risk management is your lifeline. You should diversify across assets. Use stop losses on every trade. Avoid excessive leverage. Understand the payout and risk reward ratio before clicking buy. So, is demo trading still worth it? Absolutely. Demo is where you learn the ropes, test strategies, and get comfortable with your platform. It's also where you can develop a trading routine without risk. Platforms like crystalballmarkets.com offer a free $50,000 demo account, which is perfect for practicing everything we've talked about today. The key is to use it correctly, treat it like real money, follow strict rules, and build habits that will carry over when you go live. Final thoughts. Winning on a demo account is easy because it's not real. There's no fear, no pressure, and no consequences. But real trading is different. The emotional weight, the technical challenges, the market realities, they all show up once your own money's on the table. That doesn't mean you can't succeed. It just means you need to respect the process. Treat your demo seriously. Start small when you go live. Build emotional discipline. And don't let fear sabotage a strategy you know works. Make the transition smart, not rushed, and you'll find that consistency is possible in both worlds. If you're ready to start practicing or test your strategies risk-free, head over to crystalballmarkets.com and open your free demo account today. And when you're ready to go live, you'll do it with confidence, clarity, and control. This has been Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia, and I'll catch you in the next episode.